Hey everyone, Jake here for American Muscle, and in this video we're taking a look at a wheel and tire kit featuring a set of 2013 GT500 style wheels and Atturo AZ850 all-season tires designed to fit all 2015 to 2023 Mustangs, including GT, V6, and EcoBoost models. The wheels in this kit feature a gloss black finish and 20 by 8.5 inch sizing with a 30mm offset, while the tires are 255/35 R20s. In this kit, you will receive a full set of 4 wheels and tires with free mounting and balancing included with your purchase. I really don't think many people would debate that the 2013 GT500 is one of the most iconic Mustangs and probably one of the most iconic muscle cars ever made. Now, if you want a bit of that flavor on your S550, this kit is a great way to get it. Plus, you get some serious grip and performance, and you get it all for a really great price. Now, before we dive in too deep, it is worth noting this is a square setup, meaning that the wheels and tires are all the same size, both front and rear. So you will have the option to rotate these to extend the life of your tires. Now, of course, the first thing you're going to notice about this kit are these wheels. The 2013 GT500 wheels are a hot commodity, but we here at American Muscle wanted you all to be able to get that style without having to spend a fortune or waste your time trying to track a set down. These feature that wide mesh design, and they have a little bit of concavity to them, so combined with that 30mm offset and the 8.5 inch overall width on these particular wheels, it's going to give your S550 a really nice stance. As you can see on our EcoBoost behind me, everything sits pretty much flush to the fender, little tiny bit of poke in the rear. Now, unlike that OEM GT500 wheel that inspired this set, these are finished in gloss black, as you can see, for that extra little bit of aggression, and especially on a bright colored car like this one, I think these look absolutely perfect. Now, another place where these are going to differ from the original GT500 wheels are, of course, the sizing. These ones are 20 inches in diameter, so they are a bit larger than the originals that inspired them. And since the wheels, again, in this kit are all the same size, you can rotate them around front to rear to help extend your tire's life. Now, these will also fit on your car even if you have lowered it up to 2 inches, and you're not going to have any rubbing or clearance issues. If you go any lower than that, you're probably going to run into some rubbing issues, but if you keep it to 2 inches or less of lowering, these are going to fit absolutely perfectly. Now, good wheels aren't worth much without good tires, and the tires in this kit give you plenty of good stuff. They are, of course, the Atturo AZ850s, and in this kit they are 255/35 R20s. Now, we really like the AZ850 around here because it is an affordable tire that gives you plenty of performance. Atturo brands these as ultra high performance all seasons, and I think they certainly look the part. The central rib and the large outer tread blocks here are going to give the AZ850 lots of good traction, plus you get 4 circumferential grooves for enhanced all-weather performance. The inner shoulder blocks here also feature siping to help dispel water and debris from the tread itself, and it's going to help your car maintain grip in even less than ideal conditions. The AZ850s are billed as all seasons, and as such they do carry the M+S insignia down there on the sidewall. However, I always like to throw in the caveat, if you live in a place that gets a lot of snow and ice or severe winter weather, know that these are not going to be quite enough grip in those severe types of weather conditions. You're really going to want something that is more winter weather rated. The 320 tread wear rating and the AA traction rating on this particular set of AZ850s are definitely going to substantiate that these are high performance, but they're also all seasons. And all tires have to have some kind of a trade-off. No tire can be perfect in all weather conditions. But the AZ850s are excellent performers in the dry, in the wet, and lighter winter conditions, so they are an excellent choice for a daily driven Mustang. They just don't have the full-on winter tire chocks. Now, that's the sacrifice you make for some additional dry grip. It's up to you, of course, to determine what's going to suit your driving needs best, where you need to take your car, and when you need to have it out. But if you want one tire that can do pretty much everything and give you plenty of performance for an affordable price, the Atturos are going to be it, and that's why we've got them in this kit. Now, this kit also includes free mounting and balancing. You can either have these mounted and balanced by us and shipped directly to you as a completed set ready to mount on your car, or we'll ship you everything separately and we'll set you up with an appointment at a local tire shop where they will mount and balance your kit free of charge. You can also choose to have the correct TPMS sensors included for an additional charge. However, installation of those is included with your purchase. These particular wheels are made from cast aluminum, meaning that they are all one piece. There's no bolts, no 2 pieces or anything like that, and thus they're pretty strong. Aluminum is also widely used in wheel construction because of its lightweight and superior strength. so you don't have super heavy wheels slowing you down. Now this set in particular features that gloss black powder coating we were talking about earlier over top of that aluminum construction. It's going to give you some additional good looks and protection against corrosion, so treat them well and they should last you a good long while. As for the AZ850 as well, they're going to feature that all-season rated compound with that AA traction rating and the 320 tread wear rating, in addition to rigid center tread blocks, wide outer tread blocks, and an asymmetric design for enhanced grip stability and wet weather performance. Now when it comes to the price, this kit is going to fall very much on the more affordable side of the spectrum, and in fact, it's one of the most affordable kits that we offer for the S550. So if you want some additional performance and OEM plus style good looks, this is going to be a great choice that's not going to break your budget. Installation will get a 1 out of 3 on our difficulty meter, and the job should take you around 30 minutes or so to complete. You're going to need a couple things like a floor jack and the proper socket for your impact gun or breaker bar. Your wheel lock key will be needed if your car is equipped with wheel locks, and you're also going to want to have a torque wrench to get everything torqued back to spec. This is a pretty simple job, and as you'd expect, these are designed to bolt right onto your car without the need for other modifications. Now it is worth noting too, we've got a set of black Acorn lug nuts on our car here, and I really think that completes the package, so it might be something you want to consider. However, your regular Acorn lug nuts are going to fit just fine on these wheels, since they are of course an OEM style design. That's going to wrap it up here for our review and install of this wheel and tire kit with the 2013 GT500 style wheels and Atturo AZ850 all-season tires, featuring 20 by 8.5 inch wheels with a 30mm offset and two 55/35 R20 size tires. This kit is again designed to fit all 2015 to 2023 Mustangs, including GT, V6, and EcoBoost models. Thank you all so much for watching, and as always, for all things Mustang, be sure to keep it right here at AmericanMuscle.com.